Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I have a quick and easy treat for you. I'm going to show you how to make honey joys. For those of you who aren't familiar with honey joys, they are a popular treat or snack in Australia. And they're really easy to make, very few ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. I had a request to make these, so here we go. That's what we're going to do. Before I move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my new videos. Let's get started. First, let's preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 Celsius. And now we're going to add our butter. This is about a third a cup, a little bit more than a third of a cup of butter. These measurements don't have to be exact. And then we have about a third of a cup of sugar. We're going to add that to a saucepan here. And then we want to add, roughly 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. Let's take this over to the stovetop and heat it up. All right, I have my burner set to medium-low heat. Don't want to get it too hot. And we are going to just melt everything together. And we will stir it occasionally. This will take a few minutes, probably 5 to 8 minutes. Once it starts to melt more, we'll just come in here and stir occasionally. We want that butter to melt and the honey. And then also we want those sugar crystals to melt down, because we don't want to taste sugar granules. All right, once our mixture is nice and foamy or frothy like this, it is ready to go. Let's take it off the heat. Now let's add in all of our corn flakes. And then we want to just coat this with that mixture. Coat all those flakes with that yummy mixture. So just keep stirring until they're all coated. And now, what we want to do take a muffin pan and line it with paper cups. Then come in here and grab some of our little mixture. And we just want to fill these up. And you have to work fairly quickly so they don't set in your pan here. And then when we're done filling them up, we pop this in the oven and we bake it for 10 minutes. Again, at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 Celsius. And then when we take them out of the oven, we're gonna just let them set and cool down completely before we can eat them. All right, and once they've cooled, you can come in here and grab one of these and just peel back the paper cup. And then you have yourself a nice little bite here. All right, the honey joys are done. Turned out fantastic. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into one of these. Oh yeah, I'm gonna grab this one right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It might fall apart on you, but don't worry.